Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I hope everybody's okay. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I'm always saying it's thanks to you guys because I've been getting like 1 to 3 subscribers for the past 2 to 3 days. So my subscriber base is building. My gingerbread and jelly bean, the family is getting, bigger, and I really appreciate that. If my face look white, don't mind. No more black. But yeah. But get down to serious matter. This video is pretty much, about love, about self-awareness. I want to share something with you guys, and I'm not sure how many people have seen it on the news already. There was a plane crash involving a football team and other passengers. They're going from Brazil to Colombia to play a football final. It wasn't the national team. It was a club team that was going there. You can look on the internet, you see beautiful pictures. I'll be posting one so you guys can see right here. Yeah, so the plane crashed and I think all of the players died. There were 71 people that died on the plane. I think the capacity for the plane was 86. So I think there was a few survivors. At last count I heard it was 6 to 7. They found one of the persons on the wreckage, so they're still searching for them. But the point I want to make, the reason why I want to make this video or bring awareness to it is because life is nothing. Life is just here now and you can be gone tomorrow. Like God forbid, I can be standing here right now making this video. After I finish the video, I die. Like just like that, in the flip of a dime. That's how life is. And we have to be realistic, and understand that this is life. We're human beings. We're not immortal. And with that, we have to try to live right. We have to try to live right. We have to try to be happy. We have to try to love more. So loving more means that sometimes we have to bypass the bias and the hatred for other people and just love and embrace them. We have to love family members. We have to say, hey, I love you. I'm sorry for whatever I did. I know that things, has been rocky over the few years, over a decade, but I love you, and this is my chance to tell you that I love you. I'm saying this because life is really short. As I just explained, we can be here right now and gone tomorrow. Look at those wonderful lives that have been lost just by a plane crash. The plane ran out of gas. It is reported that the plane ran out of gas. It's 2016 and things do happen still. It shouldn't have happened, but things happen, and things like that we have to wake up and face reality and know that, alright, anything can happen tomorrow. I can be driving down the road and I die. I can be in the hospital and they stick me in the wrong needle and I die. That's how fragile life is. So we, as human beings, we have to enjoy life. We have to ensure that we live right. We have to ensure that we're sharing and caring for each other. Not only our family members, but friends. We have to ensure that the legacy that we're leaving behind for the younger generation is right. Encourage them, uplift them, show them that, hey, life is precious and we need to love each other. And I think when people come together, work together, have you ever seen people like an accident or on YouTube or wherever it is, Facebook, and you see an accident and people rush over, even if it's dangerous, they rush over and they're helping people. And we're sitting down behind the computer screen and we're looking at that and we feel so good and we say, yes, we have faith in humanity. Everybody come together, black, white, Asian, whatever it is, come together for one cause, coming together to save a life. And we sit behind our computer screen and we love that, and that makes us feel good. But in reality, we are not even trying to do that. We're not even trying to bring people together. Some of us are so selfish that we forget that we can actually do it too. Not only sit behind the computer screen and rejoice and say, oh, I have faith in humanity, but actually getting up each and every day and doing something good for people. Either they're on the road and somebody asks you for food, or you buy food for them because it is a good gesture, because you have the money can spare, because you're doing good for somebody, and in return you will get your blessings. That's so it's a circle, it's a cycle. You know, it goes around and comes around. You do good and good will follow you. You do bad and bad will follow you. So that is the kind of principle I live on. So that is one of the reasons why I make videos on YouTube, to encourage people, to make you guys laugh. And each and every time I post a video, I want you guys to learn something. I want you guys to laugh. I just want you guys to enjoy my company and even leave a different perspective, a different point of view on whatever I talk about. So that is one of the reasons why I make YouTube videos, so I can uplift people and encourage people and put a smile on their face. Because that's my contribution to society. I'm not rich where I can open foundations to help people on a larger scale, but I'm doing my little part, and that's bringing joy to all my gingerbread and jelly bean and prospective gingerbread and jelly bean. As long, remember, you have to subscribe to become a gingerbread and jelly bean. Well, yes, so that is just my message. Love, share it. Don't just sit down on the computer, sit down and say, oh, you know, I like this post I'm showing. No, you're not showing love. You have to go out there and do it. Touch people's life. Share stuff with them. You know, talk to your neighbor. Talk to your friend that you're upset with. You know, express yourself. Say that, hey, I'm here for you, and I literally mean it. I can be here for you. You need help with something? Sure, I'm here for you. Call on me when you need me. I've told my friends them millions and millions of times. 3 o'clock in the morning, I need something to be done, and I can do it. I'll do it for you. I don't care. As long as I have the time and the energy, I'll do it for you. So that is just my message to you guys. Love, live, laugh, grow, just enjoy life, share. Go out there and do something positive and help society. Help people around you. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe and share. Leave a comment below. Thanks to all the day one gingerbread and jelly bean and all the new one that always comment on my posts. It really encouraged me to continue, because you guys watch and you guys comment, and I love the feedback. So thanks again. JVLOGS, I'm out.